Welcome back to another adventure in Judith the Jeep, and in this video we're actually going to cover a lot of ground. We're going to go track down an old peak outside Deadwood, we're going to do some camping, and then we're going to head over to a ghost town here in the Black Hills. Now this just isn't any old ghost town, it's a ghost town that we were able to get permission from the land manager to see, and it is South Dakota's most preserved ghost town. It's beautiful. So follow along on the adventure, I'll see you on the trail. I don't know how well you can see it, but someone's max track is still down there. That's what I freaking thought. Dang it. Look at how buried I am. This is ridiculous. I should have taken the fact that someone's freaking max track was still stuck in there as a sign to stay out. Ugh.
I told the guys I bought this Jeep Cherokee Laredo because it was tough and aggressive. I told them Cherokee's engine is the most powerful in its class. It can now be ordered with a 4-liter, 6-cylinder, 173 horsepower engine. Nothing in Cherokee's class even comes close.
Why? Because I think I could set up in there. So the whole point of this little overnight adventure is tomorrow we're heading up to a famous ghost town here in the Black Hills. And the biggest part of that, the reason this is a big deal, we're camping out and we're gonna be heading up there, is we were able to get permission from the land manager to go and check this place out. So I'm gonna spend all day getting to know this area. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come back to it. And I figured it's an adventure, might as well go camp. So we got Mitch, who's just sitting.
Enjoying the sound of the river, creek.
And he's gonna keep me company tonight, and then I'm gonna meet up with the Adventure 605 group with Caden and Levi, and we're gonna go check out the mine. So enjoy camping with us, and then we'll enjoy some stars, maybe. Hopefully the rain holds off, and yeah.
No.
But we got, oh, I almost like trip over your tent. I'm sorry, buddy. Set up the nebula underneath this little rainfly I use for my hammock. Try and buy myself a little bit of space underneath it. But yeah, you guys know how that goes. So I think we're gonna go get some road sodas, and then probably have dinner. I'll talk to you here in a little bit. Yeah, that way I don't have to do this with a tiny hatchet.
Yes.
All right, it's morning. Camp's packed up. As you can see, Mitch is here, but we're gonna have to leave Mitch. I gotta go meet up with the Adventure 605 crew, Caden and Levi, and we're gonna go check out that ghost town, but we gotta say goodbye to Mitch. Sorry, buddy.
Yeah, I'll live.
Yeah.
Do you think that renegade would make it up there?
Sure. All right, well, we'll see you later, buddy. And we got to hit the road. So it turns out they were trying to get back to Spearfish, and they got a little lost.
The thrill of the wild. One vehicle captures that feeling with the strength and agility to master most any terrain. Nothing stands in its way. Jeep, like nothing you've ever driven.
There's a fear